In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to replace the ceramic cartridge in your stylish bathroom faucet quickly and easily. First, let's review the materials you will need: a new cartridge, an Allen wrench, and a plier wrench. Once you have these tools ready, let's get started. Before changing the cartridge, make sure the shutoff valves are closed. Locate the small hole behind the faucet handle. Insert a 2.5mm Allen wrench and unscrew the set screw to release the handle. Pull the handle straight upward to remove it. Use a small screwdriver to carefully remove the rings surrounding and protecting the cartridge. Use angled needle nose pliers to turn the cartridge nut and loosen it. Assist with the screwdriver to fully remove the nut. With the nut removed, use a plier wrench to pull the cartridge upward and out. Ensure the cartridge chamber is completely clean and free of debris. Insert the new cartridge, making sure to align the prongs with the cavity holes. Reinsert and tighten the cartridge nut using the angled needle nose pliers. Place the cartridge cover ring back in place. Reinstall the handle and secure it using the Allen wrench. Don't forget to open the shutoff valves to restore water to your faucet. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully replaced the ceramic cartridge in your stylish bathroom faucet.